Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this cool effect. You can call it like Nebula. It looks like Nebula, but I was trying to do something else, but I came up with this output. So, and one cool thing is if you just, let me show you, just change the material of this. If you take any cool material you have, texture you have, like this, you can see it's totally changed. So it's taking the color from, you can see the fire from the texture and it looks cool. So any texture you have, just apply and it will give you cool effects. Okay, like we have this thing also. So as you can see, I can use any texture and giving me really cool effect out of this. Let me search the nebula like this one. Cool. So you can see this is inside my R&D folder. So I'll put this on my Patreon, but I will not put the textures I am using. I'll just use maybe a basic noise texture when I'll put to in the Patreon. So all these nebula texture you can find yourself. So I'll just apply any texture and I'll put that file on my Patreon. Okay. Like I have any texture you will take, it will give you something cool. Okay. So let's start this. So what I did actually, if I create a new folder again, and let's just don't use this. So in this new folder, you have a Niagara, okay, FX. And in this Niagara, you have these particles. Let's make these GPU because we will use so many particles, okay. I don't need these modules for now. Maybe drag and maybe this one also. So I have like lots of particles, maybe 1,000, and these are coming out of from 0 point. We have not